Here. Keep on tearing it up. You can. Tear it up. Now what?
Oh, what?
Bubble wrap. That's everything I've ever wanted. Oh, I'll tell you.
No. Can't do.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I got stuff to put on the wall over there. Where I didn't have a place. Oh look. Look. How'd y'all do that?
We did it.
How?
Top secret.
Mom, there's two there, so you
We
can
just-
look at them.
We photoshopped it. We're good at it.
We all met in Frankfurt 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
and we got our pictures taken. So we've already seen Bodie without his teeth. There's the other one.
Oh, isn't that good?
I hadn't even seen it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so good. They're all good.
I seen one.
Oh my gosh. Snow, you seen these?
No,
He knows nothing. We didn't want him
We
to.
didn't want him to spoil it.
We was afraid he wouldn't be able to contain himself. Turn him around and face me.
We were downtown.
Oh crap.
On the,
That was
they were like right down Main Street down there on the.
Don't disappoint us.
Okay, open the next one.
I remember that. I remember all that.
I think you've been asking this for years.
Yep.
Oh,
It's awesome.
the other ones aren't pictures.
Open it up. No more laughing. Hey. I didn't see that. Oh. Hey. Open it up. No.
Sydney, no ma'am. Don't do that again.
Flip it up this way.
Mommy, can you hand me water, please?
That's a picture of Jen's.
Here.
You have to
Bring
cut
some
that.
back.
Oh yeah.
Pepsi.
That's David Hasselhoff back in the day. No, she liked Tom Selleck. That's right.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
And everybody's smiling.
Oh, look.
She's
Everybody's
smiling.
smiling. Look,
Yeah.
Scotty. Isn't that awesome?
Wow.
We got the wall fixed now.
I'm a shake, you know.
I think Scotty looks like he's about to tear up.
Oh.
Okay,
No
y'all.
crying.
love it.
Mom, do you
How did
remember?
you do that? How did you do that?
Well, it just
Oh my
took a lot
gosh.
of photos.
It's so awesome. Look. I love it.
I'm
No,
doing
Sadie,
go.
no, let her get this. So leave it on it though.
Nicole, you gonna put that back
In the box.
in? Yeah.
I ain't seen it.
she's video trying that.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that's so awesome. Isn't that awesome?
Well, why are you making that face if you're
Oh,
so
that's-
happy about it?
That's so awesome. What
Wait a
face?
minute, that one right there.
Remember the movie Stand By Me?
Yeah.
Me and Aaron? That's off that.
Yeah, that was our favorite movie.
No,
Mine
we,
and
we
Aaron's.
didn't mean to take those
Yeah, they were
pictures.
goofing off.
Yeah, he just took them.
And then I
Now we wanted this to be a